Go.
Bob, thank you.
He's been waiting his whole life just to do that.
What? Did we just become best friends? Yup. You want to go do karate in the garage? Yup.
The way the dog gently gives its food to the cat is so natural, no training needed, just pure kind instinct.
Feel that you're vulnerable trying to throw in someone else who might have been out there before. It's sad to me, but you gotta do what you
You want the chicken nuggets?
Can I say something about swapping?
Here comes the little gentleman, sitting and eating as politely as a real person. All he's missing is a napkin.
Bien limpio los pies.
In a well-disciplined home, even the dog knows how to keep things clean.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Here, madame, I graciously offer you my hand instead.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle. Who's your best friend?
Can you say hello?
Come on. Oh, good morning. Hi, Sydney. Good morning.
Oh, you're gonna bring me the bully. Okay. Shake.
He's so adorable. With those eyes, I could give him anything he wants.
Wally, that's not nice.
He deserves a reward for his polite behavior. Not only does the dog wait for the light to cross, he also walks right on the pedestrian crossing.
Hey, what happened?
The cat keeps trying to eat the dog's food and the dog doesn't like it at all, but he still stays very polite.
Yes.
I'm not sure if he wants to make friends or thinks it's a line for treats, but the dog is standing behind the ducks, happily wagging his tail.
Close the door all the way. Good boy. Hello, guys.
Isn't it, to your owner?
No lead.
Imagine going up to Taskers and being greeted like this by a dog. Oh, look, your tail. Oh, look. Yeah! He's so cute.
Okay. Okay.
She doesn't want your toy.
Sharing is caring, and this dog understands that better than anyone.
Yeah, she doesn't want your toy, right? Let me get it for you.
This is what unconditional love looks like.
Good.
This dog walked into the shop and went next in line and sat there waiting, keeping the 1.5 more isolation rule.
Come on. What do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl. Good girl.
You can go to Nanny and Pops. It's okay. Go ahead. I'm giving you permission.
Te está pidiendo la mano como para rezar.
Gracias Dios por los alimentos, gracias porque siempre puedo.
The dog won't eat without praying first.
Te mando la abuelita. Amén.
Amén, mi amor.
Good morning, Jake. Well, good morning. Good morning, Amaru. Hey, you're not buckled in.
They're the most well-behaved and polite dogs I've ever seen.
Can you protect me more quietly? Thank you.
Did you change your mind? Would you like to come inside?
Oh, hello there.
It's all snowy.
No chaos, no noise. He just stands there politely hoping someone will notice him.
I'm very demure. See, I'm very cute. See, I'm very demure. But I mix them both because I'm what? Very demure.
No.
See, I'm very cute with it, but I'm very...
Teamwork is always easier when your partner knows how to share the workload.
Good boy.
Those are definitely the cleanest paws ever.
You want your ball? Whisper. Good boy.
Go!
That little bit of help is absolutely essential. It appears the tables have turned. Is he a human inside, or is he just a dog asking for attention? You decide.
Jax, can you let go of his bone so he can have it so he can stop crying? Jax, drop the bone. Jax, drop the bone. Meatball.
Oh, God, you're so good.
Food beggar professional level. What a good dog, those eyes never leave his human.
Forever regretting teaching my dog how to whisper.
What was that? Say it again. I can't hear you.
For a groomer, this is truly wonderful and heartwarming. can't stop laughing watching them line up. I really appreciate their good manners.
Okay, Minnie, come on. Let's go inside. Come on. Come on. What do we do? What do we do before we go inside? Go ahead, wipe your feet. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, God, it's so good. So good. So good and tasty.
Looks like he's a bit shy about asking for food. This good boy is strictly following the rule, only one per person.
So polite. The most respectful trick-or-treater ever.
What's up? I like your car. What's up?
Okay. Okay.
Hello. Hi. You just have to push it open. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Do you agree with me that dogs at the beach are really friendly?
Devi fare la cacca di Yuhu!
I am.
Who's your best friend?
Hey, what happened?
Please don't forget next time.
How to train your bully. Not yet. Hey. Hey, pretty. You want it? How bad? Oh, so bad. Take it. Good girl. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at your little face. It's just so cute.
That smile says he's the happiest dog in the world.
I like you want a cookie. Here you go. Oh. Okay, here you go.
Ven con me. It's con mi Pepsi. Con me. Yo, okay, no. Kicks okay. Wonderful. ถามไหมสิจะไปกับแม่สามดัง
Obviously, he has a good family that takes care of him. He takes good care of them in return. These creatures are incredible. I almost cried seeing how sincere these little ones are. That's such pure, true love. The grandmother has back pain and needs a chair to sit on, but don't worry, this dog is here to help her.
Oh, you can come up here. Gentle. Very good, very gentle.
Filho, essas são horas. O que você acha, Maria? Ele quer que você fique olhando.
Honey, what's the matter?
You understand, baby. I used to be
Can you guys sit?
Lower just which is grand.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Was she good?
Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. If you liked our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.